Action. Maybe she's got a big smiley face with a wand, and she flies around and she makes the trees and the plants and the people and everything.
She has golden hair with brown little strips in it, and she wears a bark from trees and some leaves from flowers.
She has like a bird's nest for her head and eggs for her eyes and like a twig for her mouth.
I think Mother Nature looks like me.
It has lots of pretty colours and lots of animals that we haven't discovered yet.
Oh wow.
And lots of patterns.
Looks like the Queen of England but not old. Mother Nature has leaves instead of arms, and it has a nest on its head, and it's made out of tree, and it's broad and has leaves. She would look like this.
Do you think it's a woman or a man?
A woman, because it's Mother Nature, not Father Nature.